Because zibhlungu lezi zinto esizibukelayo maybe niyathembana na. We've been dating for 5 years. And then you check my phone. Mina ngiclean. Wena ifone yakho it just shows ukuthi kudala ubusy. Ngiyislima mina.
Ngihleli mina ngislima for wena.
Exactly. So get isibambelelo sothando so that you can come down now. Uyeke look babbies.
You know the solution, guys. I always give you the solution.
Bahlale bakhala lapha on the show bafuna ukukapa ngamabhodlela. You are opening their eyes. Kahle you are opening amehlabo. Ukuthi look, if 5 years you still asigcineke la. Nangu lo muntu wakho lothandana naye. Let me reveal lo muntu wakho naye for 5 years because wena awumazi. That's what your show I think mina ngibona ngayo.
Yes, kufanele wazi.
Good. Don't waste another 5 years. Mina I'm here to help you.
Ukuthi kucaca ukuthi uyadlala la.
Ya umbone. Ukuthi mina I will reveal ukuthi indoda yakho awuyazi wena. Mina ngizokukhombisa ukuthi awuyazi. And then because when they start I are cheating all the time with me blah blah blah.
I love him.
Makuphuma phone so uyavela umuntu wakho. So to avoid all those things noma ujinja afika kuwe actually unesibambelelo. Atlina my phone.
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana se-Kings bathi umntimandi umabuya ubambolonye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Thank you so much guys for tuning in at CMTV SA and I'm your host King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana se-Kings bafethu. I know in the street right now you are calling me the street doctor, the love doctor. Umjito fix ama relationships, but guys angifuni ukunivalela ngaphandle in a lot of things because you know what I deal with abantu abangathembani kuma relationships wabo, and I'm always trying to make sure that ngifika ne solution yokuthi ungamchitheli upartner wakho uma ukuthi ngempela uyayibona yini future. But the king, you know what the king did? The king made sure that abantu ababukile CMTV guys, they get the right information, they get the right ways ukuthi benze izinto zibe right. Bafethu, ngifuna ukwazi from nini. Do you trust each other kuleyo relationship? Do you love each other? Anazi inkinga. Akukho mhlawumbe la ufuna ukuqinisa khona. Tune in bafethu because King Ginger Cream de la Cream uniphathele the best guest ever, and uzosintroduce makaqeda ukuthi introduce usuzokwazi ukuthi ngikuphathela amandla othando, ngikuphathela amandla okuphila, ngikuphathela amandla einhlanhla. King Ginger Cream de la Cream intwana se-Kings, and I'm not alone. I'm with this gorgeous Coco. Ngicela introduce.
Thokozani. Yes. Thank you for having me. Gogo Manzini from Sekunda, which is in Mpumalanga.
Sweet, all the way from Mpumalanga, and thank you so much for blessing us. Ukuthi uzosivakashela. I want you to tell everyone at home ukuthi yini lena ekwenza ukuthi no awuthi ngiyobona intwana yase-Kings.
Relationship problems.
Abantu
abathembani.
Yes.
Abantu they are not loyal. So and then so Sabese City. Let us visit them so that we can, with your help, of course, sipha abantu sizo and give them the help that they need.
Guys, in Zwileke, all the way from Mpumalanga, Gogo Manzini, she's in the building, and uzelana uzosiza ngezinto ezi-right, ngezinto ezokwazi ukuthi zisilungisele all the problems that we are facing kuma relationships wethu. So i-platform yakho lena, and ngingathanda ukuthi ngingashiyi lutho. I don't want to leave any stone unturned. Ngifuna ukuthi ngiphendule wonke amatshe. Gogo, ngithatha ungibeke njengamanje. Let me say ngikwi-relationship and ngibone ngathi umuntu amakabambeki. Ngithi baby wozalana, ngathi uyabaleka, ngathi ugrampa, ngithi bafuna imali la. Ngiyenza njani Gogo?
In such a case, futhi to be honest with you Ginger, ezindabeni zothando nemithi, kuhle into uma isenzeka kusahlekwa.
Okay.
Yes, ikuhle yenzeka kusahlekwa noma asherela, but once you still get time yokuthi umthole, and then it's easy. So that is when you need to jump now to me and say Gogo, ngifuna ukuhlola la. Something is not right in your relationship yami. And then we sit siyahlola. And then must start ukuhlola ukuthi what is the problem and then so unikezwa into ke uyambamba.
All right. So Gogo, what you trying to say to me ukuthi uGinger angalindi ukuze i-relationship ayibone isibheda and then try to ukuthi ayilungise at that time. Mele ngiyilungise iqala nje.
You know what the problem is? uGinger uyayibona relationship ukuthi sesemnandi then uyarelax. And then uGinger mase kaqala phaphama abona ngathi umakoti wakhe sekayamenzela izinto umakoti wakhe sekagijima waya kuLee right
yes
and then now uLee ufike wasebenzisa something kuye lo muntu wakho and then when ulate ke manje
lapho ngithi ngizama ukubamba bamba
wena sewuphaphama kudala qomile kudala adlisiwe phambili
Gogo
wena mase usofaka sakhe izidliso lesa sesi overtakeile
guys Gogo no man kumele sivuke emaqandeni so Gogo I want you to take us in a bit ukuthi mhlambe what are the worst scenarios have you dealt with kule profession yakho njengoba bese ngithe ukwenza nami i-research ngizwele kuthiwa eSecunda uGogo uwe and people from Secunda they are very happy bayakhuluma abantu bayakhuluma kusizo la litholakala khona umuntu uzohlala ekhuluma and ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi kwi profession yakho ingathi imaphi ama challenges or ama scenarios okwahlangabezana nawo in terms of ukusiza umuntu kwase kuba ngathi manje hayibo umuntu ubese late
yeah it is always a problem especially now because manje sikule topic le yendaba zothando and it is always a problem to deal nomuntu ofika late and then they want things to happen quick.
So how do we fix that? How do we help that person?
The person, okay, if sekumoshakele and then you want help, you will still get help, but then that's when you need patience. Because now maso ubona vele ukuthi umuntu sekahambile and then you want to jump now so ufuna nathi sigijime and siyambuyisa umuntu ongasekho. That's the fact. Usiyambuyisa but you need to relax.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
But the best assurity, the time asathi I love you sweetie. Yilapho angakathi awume ginger uyabo masathi awume ginger then it's a problem because now you used to be baby honey and then now so u ginger and then you must know good then something is a problem there's a problem lapho
it's a big one
yes si jumpa kusesemnandi because now nazo lezi zinto ziningi the ways we do them we will still get into that but izindlela esizenza ngayo sikunikeze it all depends on which one you are comfortable with because zikhona idliso ziningi
all right awukhulume kamnandi Gogo you are here and I would like you to take us in ke manje ukuthi uGogo uspecialize ngani uGogo imuphi umsebenzi awuphushayo kahle and then today uGogo ufuna vula mehlo kuphi or usiphatheleni ebhekini so can you please take us in
is traditional healer specializing with luck rituals kuvula inhlanhla kuphakanyiswa inhlanhla in all aspects of everything that you do and then we do money attraction rituals money attractions that's where we talk izigubhu we talk animals we talk spirits yes and then we also do relationships. Yeah, we also do relationships. So we more specifically there. Abantu abagulayo with iRoslam does not really touch abantu abagulayo, but with all the aspects engizbalile. So today we're talking about isibambelelo sothando.
Isibambelelo sothando.
Yes.
Uthaqa bafethu.
Yes. We're talking isibambelelo sothando. Yini isibambelelo sothando? Isibambelelo sothando is something that umuthi that we mix.
Okay.
And we give you. Uzokwazi ukubamba isithandwa sakho. Now isibambelelo sothando compared to ezinye idliso namakorobela and we don't put anything endleni kumuntu.
All right?
Yes. You don't take insila yomunye umuntu yomthakatha.
Awuthakathi
omunye umuntu. But whatever that is being done yenziwa kuwe wena self. Uyaqatshwa in Zulu.
Wena.
Yes. So when masigqaba sikufaka lo muthi lo it makes you a magnet. To umuntu ohlangana naye ngokucansi. So now if sikugqabile we send you go sleep go have sex with her or him and then nahlangana ngokwenyama and then sewubambile because igazi lakho wena selifakiwe lento yokuthi ubambe. Yes, it's hot and it's magnetic. Now the other part is you need to control yourself also when umuntu osegqatshiwe ke manje. Because remember igazi lakho ligqatshiwe into ifakiwe kuwe. Then it's not for one person. Okusho ukuthi wonke umuntu olala naye usezokufuna. So nawe ke inkosi uzazi indaba zakho. Ukuthi okay ngiyamthanda uzibanibani I want to focus kuzibanibani but uzibanibani uyangigijimela and then let me get this uyasibamba. or you use protection. Then akuhlangananga nyama.
Oh yes.
Exactly.
Gogo, sorry, inkaba. Gogo, because I always hear mawuya kwezinye indawo kuthiwa nje mekungahlangana inkaba twice ithathile. So kule ngxubevana kaGogo le osuke uyenza akubi nankinga mhlawumbe makuqondana izinkaba.
Inkaba ke first of all isibambelelo sothando ila sigcaba khona.
Shuthe bonke laba abaningi bami Gogo ngiyabamba. Gogo ngiyabamba.
Yes, the question is to when uzoba manager kanjani? Because if sikunika isibambelelo sothando, I like your question, it's like uyinyanga in a way. Uyabuza ukuthi Gogo ngicaba kuphi? Uqaba enkabeni. That is where everything starts.
Yes.
Uqaba khona and then inilala enhlangani. Not necessarily ngokuthi uma ubheke phezulu na ubheke phezulu kwakhe and then noma ungenza doggy style ubhekele noma bathi helicopter or whatever that they say, it doesn't matter as long as that thing is in your blood. Then for it ukuthi phume, you need to flush your blood away. I don't know how can blood be flushed
because it's already in.
Yes. And mawenza umuntu into osumenze ngoba uyamthanda ungamenzi ngoba uthi ufuna ukumzwisa ubuhlungu because kuzoba isono, because now uzoba usemva kwakhe yena uzoba ufuna ukuba busy ngezinye izinto. So naye leyo siyayigcizelela ukuthi the minute you want to do something, mawuzothatha steps ukuthi ngiyambamba lo, nawe zazi ukuthi uyamthanda.
Be sure.
Yes.
Wow, no, Gogo ungithintile. Ngicela ukubuyela emuva. I have another question.
Good.
Ngikuzwile mawuthi it doesn't matter with the styles that you do as long as into isegazini. So now we are using a rubber. Angithi lento lempahla esegazini.
Yes.
And the rubber, when you use it, we don't go skin to skin.
Yes.
Am I still safe ukuthi lo muntu angabi magnetic kumina?
Yes, ningahlangani ngenkaba.
Singahlangani.
Yes. If you are doing it with a rubber,
yes,
ningahlangani ngenkaba. Yes.
Okay.
But if you are using it nge-rubber and still uhlangane ngenkaba, then it's a problem.
Oh.
So if uzombamba nge-rubber mbhekisele
Excel.
yes. So it's basically done there.
Okay.
But it does not work only ngokuthi nihlangane ngenkaba. It's just a mixture of strong meat umuthi with magnetic forces. And then we give you, we call it isibambelelo sothando.
Isibambelelo sothando. So to everyone like right now who is watching and is willing ukuthi mhlambe ubengakaze ayenze into kanjena, yini ongayisho kuyena for lo muntu iadvice ongamnika yona ukuthi if you want to start and use imithi or umuthi to ukuthi attract umuntu lo omthandayo, imapha ama advice ongathanda ukunika umuntu ongafisa ukuthi acontacte uGogo njengamanje athi Gogo mina I'm ready, mina nginayo vele umuntu engifuna ukuqina naye, but imapha ama advices onganginika wona before I come to you?
You must be ready spiritually. You must be ready spiritually wena as a person before you get into the step, and then you need to know ukuthi lo muntu lo ozothumela kuGogo uyamhambela, uyamthanda. I just clarified that. You need to make sure, because now we tend to ukuthi badlisa abantu bese babenza ilimi, and that's wrong. And then also you must be emotionally prepared
in every aspect.
Yes, because umuthi uyasebenza. There is no way yokuthi bazothi mina I'm going to pray. You can pray and then uzokufaka isibambelelo sothando uzongilandela. While uthandaza unjalo, go to church, pray njalo ngo6 ntambama, uze kimi ngifaka isibambelelo sothando, I will hold you through your prayer. So umuthi uyasebenza nje iphela.
Yes, guys, and Gogo, the procedures esingena kuzo ke mase umufuna ukulukuzana, let me say King Ginger would like to come kuGogo and athole isibambelelo sothando. So what are there things that I need to like ngibe rating ngazo mangiza kuwena mhlambe, because like other places when you go they tell you ukuthi you need a yellow chicken. So inkukhu yellow mangayitholi, or you must get a pink chicken. So I will go around imfunela with the pink chicken kanti itholakala ezimo kuphela. Iziphi izinto mhlambe masenza umsebenzi wesibambelelo sothando, izinto ngasho ukuthi ziimportant ukuthi mawusondela Gogo ungaziphatha, and yizo esikwaziyo ukuthi ke sibe sisenza, not to reveal ukuthi sisenza kanjani isibambelelo sothando. Oh, should I come with this group samanzi and then you're going to pray for lawo? What are the procedures?
Nothing.
Ngiza kimi.
Yes, uza ngisho lento ozoyithatha yile esobe sifa egazini lakho. So Tina, we have it. We have all this, everything mixed for you, and then whether you just come and then we give it to you. So now also, isibambelelo Thando can be couriered.
Oh my.
Like we're in 2023, dude.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
So you cannot travel from Egingi
Uya eSekunda
for isibambelelo Thando. When you can just contact Gogo. Gogo, this is isibambelelo Thando. This is the money. This is the courier fee.
Yes.
Gogo, send it to me. We are taller. You contact Gogo. Gogo, I have it. What are the instructions? And then you come back again for other things.
Bafethu, bhala nama notes. I want to tell you something. Gogo Manzini bafethu useyintweni. Lalela sila technological, everything is going bananas. Yazi ngijabulile. Like these views are like juicy to me because I've been waiting for ukuthi everyone at home to hear ukuthi bafethu ma ukuthi ukwi relationship akuwona umdlalo.
No.
Yeah, understand? As my relationships, and people always see me trying to fix, and they think it's a joke. It's not. There are people that went through a lot of things. Kunabantu abashiya imizi yabo bayishiya nabantu ebebebathanda ngenxa yokuthi mhlawumbe ispark sesiphelile endlini mama sekhaya seka deliver archer somewhere else, you understand? And then ubaba decide to leave umuzi nayo yonke leyo nto, but bafethu isolution ikhona. Ugogo Manzini ukhona, angakwazi ukuthi akulungiselele izinto zakho, ukwazi ukubuyela kwakho, ukwazi ukubuyelana nonkosikazi wakho obusumshiyile naye kushiyile, and fix your things. Ungaze ufele emkhukhwini, whereas you built yourself a big house, you have a car, kodwa wa decide uthi yazini ngoba ziyangihlula ezami ithi ngishiye kanje.
And abantu seba ready manje. And I told you good people baqatshiwe, people are ready. So vele whatever you said, I just like it. Because zibhlungu lezi zinto sizibukelayo maybe niyathembana na. We've been dating for 5 years. And then you check my phone. Mina ngiclean. When iphone yakho it just shows ukuthi kudala ubusy. Ngiyislima mina.
Ngihleli mina ngislima for wena.
Exactly. So get isibambelelo Thando so that you can come down now. We look puppies.
You know the solution, guys. I always give you the solution.
Bahlale bakhala lapha on the show bafuna ukukapa ngamabhodlela. You are opening their eyes. Kahle you are opening amehlo ukuthi look, if 5 years you still asigcineke la. Nangu lo muntu wakho lothandana naye. Let me reveal lo muntu wakho naye for 5 years because wena awumazi. That's what your show I think mina ngibona ngayo.
Yes, kufanele wazi.
Good. Don't waste another 5 years. Mina I'm here to help you.
Ukuthi kucaca ukuthi uyadlala la.
Ya umbone. Ukuthi mina I will reveal ukuthi indoda yakho awuyazi wena. Mina ngizokukhombisa ukuthi awuyazi. And then because when they start I cheating yamazi all the time with me blah blah blah.
I love him.
Makuphuma phone so uyavela umuntu wakho. So to avoid all those things noma ujinja afika kuwe actually unesibambelelo. Atlina my phone.
Oh my word. Guys, as you all heard, ene ugogo ke bafethu uyayibuka iniyathembana na uyayazi. That's why I decided ukuthi ezazongivakashela so that we can talk and try to fix further and try to help everyone ukuthi abe aware ukuthi there is usizo lapho ngaphandle. Ugogo bafethu ama details akhe yiwo lawa alokho edlula la ezansi Gogo Manzini yiwo wonke ama social platforms inamba niyayibona la ezansi ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi nimcontact nithole zonke izinto. But ngifuna ukuzwa mo Gogo, beside isibambelelo Thando lesi esikhulume ngazo yini enye quick one engifisa ungasitshela ukuthi wena njengobushilo ukuthi uspecialize ngezigubhu nani uma ungasithi fafa lapha ezigubhini usithi fafa nalapha kokunye ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ke imission because isibambelelo Thando yiso lesi sihlangene ngaso today. But ngifuna ukuzwa naso sigubhini and by the way yazi the way angazi ukeza ngani yazi unale charisma you have this mood, you have this thing that you have and you yazi you glowing.
Thank you.
You glowing.
Ngisebenzisa umuthi ngiphila ngawo.
Yeah.
Bath, drink, eat, I put umuthi.
Danko.
That's what I do. And then now to the segment, to the part about isigubu.
Yes.
Isigubu is something that we give to a person that has a business.
All right.
Yes, for you to have isigubu, you need to have a business or you need to have something that you are doing. You don't just show up and say, Gogo isigubu. We do not give because now you want money, remember? And isigubu must go get money for you.
Yes.
So isigubu, how does it work? It works like this. It goes get customers or it goes bring business to you. And then ama customers as an imali. Then now that's how you make money.
Right.
But I don't want to sit here and lie to people and say isigubu sifaka imali endlini, imali ngene banki, masothi uyavuka so rich. No, even if unesigubu you still need to work. I can tell you, Utati Skupu, go sell tomatoes. It will make you rich. Because now, out of the 7 people,
yes,
when on a scoop, right, everybody will come to you. So that is how we scoop work. People must also understand that. Scoop, it attracts business to you. And for you to own a scoop, you need to have something that you are doing.
Gogo, it's been trending into Iskupu now. I think it's one of the things that are trending on our South African social media, and I think even abroad people are like asking themselves, why they are going Penang about Iskupu? Iguphu lezi manje Coco indaba nibizise kanjena khona sa 3 million ngangezwe omunye ethi unesika 3 million sikulithela ama million. How do we believe that? How do I believe that ngiu King Ginger ngiyidayisela utamatisi and then there's someone who's selling isigubhu sika 1 million esingangenzela millions? Can you take me there ukuthi how strong is that? Because you are on the same iguphu and everything, and you're doing into esebenzayo. Usebenza kanjani njengoba mina ngutomato should say mina isigubhu sika 1 million ngesingifanele?
No, you know what? Iguphu, the pricing, it depends on what is kind of kanjani.
Okay.
We've got one for 15,000 for an example.
All right.
And then those are the ones that we give for people that are on the starting phase.
All right.
Because now when your business is not that big. Yes. So we also need to consult with your business. What kind of a business are you doing? That is what is going to determine which scoop do you need. I mean, it's not going to be fair for me to give you scoops say 1 million. Okay, I don't even have that. I don't know why is it 1 million.
Well,
exactly. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Sikona, believe me. Yes, because Musa was not lying. So we work with you, Tina, especially Ekai.
Yes.
We don't just have his scoop. There's a lot of money attraction things that we have. Your lucky beans, and. Yes. So starting from as little as 1.5, you can just come and say, Gogo Nyakal, I'm just fresh in the business. I just want something to attract money. And then we give you that cheap one. And then we grow with you. We come with you, 5,000 up. Iskupu. Then you go up, and then we take you to, and then that's when we take you to the river to talk to the snake yourself. Then we take you to the river and then you go talk to the snake yourself.
Wow. And then siyabonga ekupini cabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu clear sikhona setholakala Gogo sitholakala semba ngama phase guys siqala la siqala khona if you are a starter pack sikhona starter pack from 1.5 kuya phezulu ama prizes njengoba uyibone information la izansi you will make sure that you contact uGogo uyatholana na ku WhatsApp ngithi
yes
well and uyaphendula kodwa abafuni ke laba ama group azothi hi Gogo no stick to indaba mawukuthi contact uGogo stick to indaba uchaze nje uthi hi Gogo I got the numbers from the show ngize ngosizo lukuthi ngicela ungisize ngokuthi done uGogo uzokuphendula emese ngenile kuma messages wakhe because remember guys ama messages maningi akuwena wedwa osendayo you need to be patient ngithandile mawuthi abantu they have to be patient izinto mase ziyenzeka hayi ukuthi ngifike kuwe and then ngithi sengizile ke kuwe ayikhale.
Yeah. That also is also there. Work. But most importantly, sort your relationship when you are still on the laughing face. Still on the laughing face when the time sex is still nice.
Still
and
enjoying.
then not the time so yenza because I have to do it.
No, I trust you. Yes. I trust you. So Gogo, ngicela ungithintela la engathintanga khona ungikhumbuze in terms of ilokhuzana umsebenzi besize ngawo namhlanje lo ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi thina othandweni sibe strong njengoba uKing Ginger bafethu unazi ukuthi uhleze niphathele izinto ezi fresh and delicious nangu Gogo ezinye izinto futhi engifuna ukuyibuza nenze show ukuthi nisebenzisa ama number nisebenzisa wonke lama platform lawa la ezansi but Gogo going back now to what we were talking about isibambelelo Gogo ngifuna ukuthi because la eshowini sidila ne youth kakhulu and youth they in university abanye babo with their first years second years besebenza iadvise right for umuntu umeza kuGogo ngicela ukuthi angafiki esedidizela nje so from you Gogo ukhona yini umuntu okumreject uthola ukuthi uyabona ukuthi ngathi akazanga kahle ngale sibambelelo o uze ngezinto ezimbi have you ever uhlangana nama challenges akanjalo uthola ukuthi mina ngize la because inhliziyo yami ibhlungu someone left me but manje ngize kuwe ngoba manje I want to get it back and ngimzwisa ubhlungu u1 lo okwesibili wakwamthola yini umuntu owenze ilokhuzana isibambelelo and then uthola ukuthi akusasebenzi wenza umuntu kwadlulela uthola ukuthi nayo selokho elilandelela umuntu useze kubuya kuwe usezothi Gogo hey clinicazi manje ngoba mina sengilokhu ngimlandela kakhulu endakangifuni can you take me through those two
ulandela omunye
let me say mina
ufaka isibambelelo
nangu kusebalekile kanti uthola ukuthi bese bemenze kwenye indawo angisamtholi manje sengiyi-obsessed nasekhaya sebengibona ngathi ngiyasangana sengilala kubo because it's magnetic and I want this person now.
Yeah. Okay, so mina I think I'm lost. You did isibambelelo or she did isibambelelo?
Let me say I did isibambelelo for yena. Yes kodwa yena ngisamtholi uyabaleka.
Okay, we do isikhafulo.
Oh nice.
Yes.
Nayo ke solution. Yes.
We do isikhafulo simphephethe. Abuya sondele nganeno, abuya hlale phasi. Akasgeji.
How? Mina yazi Gogo ngithi mawuthi isikhafulo uthi asiyeke lento.
No. Isikhafulo siyambiza, we call them back. Ayiphele le ndaba yokuthi uzoba nabantwana abayi3 with different fathers. Sebenzisa isibambelelo ube nabantwana abayi3 with the same father azakushade.
It's biblical.
Thank you.
It's biblical. Social handles ngiyazi sibabhalile ngicela babizele usho futhi ukuthi uGogo utholakala kanjani nini kuphi ngaziphi ikhathi baphethe all the way from eSekunda but international uyafika yonke indawo. You are in Zambia, you are in Congo, my beautiful people in Kenya. Uyafika uGogo siyathumela izinto zize usebenzisa impahla yakho ube phashash.
Yes, please. On WhatsApp and on calls it's 072 448 1474. We prefer WhatsApp mostly.
Yes.
Then that is when you know what you type and then we will reply when we get time. So that's 072 448 1474. And then we are also on Facebook.
Yes.
Dr. Gogo Manzini.
Dr. Gogo Manzini. That's
our business page, yes. Dr. Gogo Manzini on Facebook. And then on Instagram, I am Gogo Manzini. At I am Gogo Manzini. And then YouTube. That is where I post most of my work. So every day I do a video, I post it there on YouTube, and that is Dr. Gogo Manzini TV. That is where people should follow me, kakulu, because of every specials I do, I post them there. Every new product I have, I post them there. Yeah. So especially you can just follow me on all of this. I work almost every day on appointment.
On appointment.
Yes, I do not. Remember, I stay in town. Angihlala elokishini or emakhaya. Ngihlala inside town. So you don't just show up and
sizokuvalela iboom gates ngeke ivule.
Exactly. We use that. So you don't just show up. What you do is you WhatsApp, you make an appointment proper, and then you come, you see me, and then ukuthi uzovela uthi futhi kusho. It doesn't work like that.
This ngabe ngiyanibamba siyaqhubeka but you know me I always like singing and doing other things but today ngizothi dalo ngihambela uGogo Manzini. Thank you so much for making sure that you come visit us. We as a CMTV family, we would like to say we love you so much and thank you for making sure you choose to come to this platform so that sizokwazi ukuthi engage nabantu, sizokwazi ukuthi size abantu. We thank you, we love you people from Sekunda and we definitely gonna come visit you. And Gogo ngizokuphathela into emnandini mangifika eSekunda. Ngiyathembisa. Guys, it's going crazy, it's going bananas. As you all know, my name is King Ginger, Cream de la Cream, and this is your #1 channel, CMTV SA. Make sure that you subscribe, my brother. We are on the road to 300,000 and we want to go beyond before the end of this year. The target or the plan is to be on 800,000. So please, guys, help us to achieve our dream as CMTV. And if you have a problem kuma relationships wenu bafethu, don't hesitate. uGogo Manzini ukhona and uzokwenza ube seyintweni. It's biblical. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thokoza Gogo.